One sunny morning, Lucy planted seeds in her garden. Suddenly, she saw a boy hiding near the flowers. He looked ordinary, except his eyes glowed bright blue, like stars. "Hi," Lucy smiled. "Want to help me?" The boy nodded. He tried watering plants, splash. Water went everywhere. Lucy giggled. "It's okay, you'll get better." He came back every day, copying Lucy's gardening. But Lucy noticed he never blinked or got tired, and his starry eyes always sparkled. One day, Lucy asked, "You're not like me, are you?" He paused. "I am Robo. I came from Mars." Lucy grinned. "Cool. I'll be your Earth friend." Lucy showed Robo how to do karate kicks. He chopped and kicked, sometimes too fast, making them laugh. She put Robo on her bike. He wobbled, fell, but soon figured it out. "The chain works like gears," Robo said, riding smoothly. Lucy frowned at her math homework. Robo blinked. "Numbers are patterns. 2 triangles make a square." Suddenly, math was fun. Lucy taught Robo how to play and laugh. Robo taught her cool tricks for math and machines. One evening, Robo said, "Someday, I will go back to Mars, but I'll take your games and friendship with me." Lucy smiled. "And I'll look at the stars, thinking of my friend up there."